गोंयाक मुक्ती मेळ्ळ्या, मात बायलांक खऱ्या अर्थान अजून स्वातंत्र्य मेळिल्लें ना अशी मतां कॉलेजीत शिकपी कांय तरणाट्यांनी गोंय मुक्ती दिसा उलयल्यांत. आड्रेसो खातीर पणजेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
According to me, Liberation Day is actually the day when we got liberated. But actually we don't find this liberation in today's day since all girls and all are not safe in these days. So it should get less, like all the things like corruption, all the crimes which are going on.
So where do you think we need to be liberated?
Corruption and yeah, corruption is there. So there we have to reduce that corruption. Example, in colleges some raggings are going. Even over there also, there are also for women there are not safe places. Rape is there.
Okay, so these are the issues need to be liberated first.
Yeah, this is the first.
Okay, are we really liberated?
Actually no, we are not still liberated.
So where do we need to get liberated?
In our daily life, women don't have safe places to travel. Still rapes and kidnapping and all is going on. Acid attacks are going on. Yeah, girls are not safe. Then corruption also.
What each individual should do in order to get liberated?
Each individual. Yeah, they should treat everyone equally. Rights should be given. No discrimination.